If you'd like to learn more, find someone with ethical society name tags. I'd like to thank Andy Semler for running our camera. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ben Schultz. I am the creator of this forum. I created it out of frustration with a culture that can't seem to talk about important issues in a respectful and educational manner. I think debate isn't something that we should just forget about after high school or college, but something that we need to cultivate in our culture for all ages on all the issues where lots of people fail to agree. I think it's great to get more than one view on the table at a time so we can more clearly see the strengths and weaknesses in light of each other. Perhaps we can maybe discover more about why we believe what we believe and what kinds of arguments we can reasonably expect to convince people who are coming from completely different perspectives on the same issues. And that's a challenging lifelong skill to improve upon. And even if you haven't changed your opinion one bit by the time you walk out of here, hopefully we will have at least humanized our opponents a little and learned something from the encounter. And at this time, if you could silence your cell phones so that we can discuss things without interruption. The debate format tonight be more of a conversational debate format. We'll have two 10-minute intros where each of us will give our perspective, and then we'll have two 10-minute interviews where each of us will ask the other questions and we'll interact along those lines. And then we'll wrap up with 2-minute closings. We'll have a break for 10 minutes, and then we'll come back for Q&A. And Q&A will be, you'll have 30 seconds to give your comment or question, and then each of us will have 2 minutes to respond, and I'll go over that later as we get there. And in case anybody needs to know, the bathrooms are in this back hallway, the men's is down there, and the women's is down there. And I've already introduced myself, but our other participant is Carlin A. Streeter. Streeter, is that how you pronounce it? Right. Sure. She's a professor of systematic theology and spirituality at the Aquinas Institute of Theology, a graduate school of theology and ministry sponsored by the Dominicans of the Central Province, adjoined to St. Louis University in St. Louis. And I think I'm beginning. Is that what we